Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you guys have watched my previous video, my visit to the salon to get my hair straightened, if you haven't watched it, go watch it now. You guys know that I straightened my hair, and I've had my hair straightened for about 2 weeks now. And it is past time that your girl washed her hair. Like, my scalp is itching. But before I washed my hair, I wanted to show you guys some like straightened hairstyles that I've been like doing over this past 2 weeks, to keep my hair so straight. So if you are interested in seeing some like quick, very easy hairstyles to do, not a whole lot of product, needed, stay tuned. So, of course, the first hairstyle that you can do is wear it down, which I did for, I think, 2 or 3 of those days, I wore it down. The first day I got it, day 2, and I think I wore, actually, no, 4 times. I wore it 4 times straight. And each time I came home, my hair was on something else. Style 1 is wearing my hair like this. So in a straight, just down, and then I kind of swoop the side a bit. If you have like your ends curled, what I like to do is like I just brush it back to create like a little hump sort of thing. So this would be style 1 for me. Again, like I said, if you have some curls in your hair still, like brushing your hair back and like moving it up creates some like volume for you and whatnot. But yeah, this would be it for me. And this is like one hairstyle that you can wear. Only thing is, because of humidity, your hair gonna puff up so quickly. So that's why I never wore my hair down like a whole lot, because my hair just did not want to stay straight for me at all. But yeah, this is style number 1. And then I'm going to show you guys style number 2, which is very easy too.
So with style number 2, I just do a little swoop, and that kind of gives me back in the 90s days type of vibe for me. I really love this hairstyle. I did it a whole lot. I really loved it. But for the rest of the video, what I'm just going to do is not talk and just have you guys enjoy the styles in the video, because a lot of these styles are self-explanatory and whatnot. I might just come in and out here and there, but I'm not going to be talking much. So this hairstyle that I'm doing right here is actually one of my favorite hairstyles to do ever. I really think this style is like very cute and playful look. And what I'm doing right now is just taking a piece of hair from each of the sections in the back that we're going to use later. And we're basically creating Minnie Mouse ears. So we're going to pin each of the sides inward and use a bobby pin to put it in. And then when we are done pinning both of those two in, we're going to take that back piece that we left behind and put it over and create that Minnie Mouse ears. And then once you're done, any extra piece of hair, you can just wrap it away and fluff out the two sections. I really love doing this hairstyle. I've been doing it for years. I think it's a really nice updo that just frames your face nicely and whatnot. And from the back, it also looks good because again, it looks like a bow tie or like Minnie Mouse ears and whatnot.
So this is it. As you guys can see, honestly, there's so many hairstyles that you can do with this, and it's like limitless. But I hope you guys enjoyed these natural, not natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this straightened hairstyles. If you guys like to see more content like this with like straight hair or just natural hair in general, please let me know down below. And always don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it helps your girl out. Support a sister, okay? Support a sister. Subscribe, like the video because it lets the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoyed this video. Help a sister out, please. Let's all succeed together, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.